Hey guys, welcome back to this new video on Python programming with now this is going to be our second video in Python. Remember our first video actually was mainly on we discovered on how to print hello world when we were using a label. Now in this video simply I'm going to teach you how to use what known as a button. How can we design a button using a Python, especially using the Python shell. Now I will also base on one known as a Tkinter. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to start with file and open up new file. So here I'm just going to import everything to my program. So I'll just say from import from Tkinter, and I import everything so that I don't again actually waste a lot of time. Then now maybe I'll explain to you this on my next video. So here I'll just set the root to be equal to what known as tk, which is our Tkinter TCL, and then here I also have to set what known as a variable. Now remember the other video and intro about how to use a root. I'll explain how to use a root and even how to make a window with the root and a plain window without anything. Now just set my variable, maybe let me say the variable to be b, and which b is equal to having what known as a button, which you have just a button which now we need to use because we want to see how can we use a button in our program. And then the root which I've set this side here is the very root I have to copy and I paste it here. Remember in the other video I showed that here it was none, so here I will set root, and then from there I will set what known as the text, which text in this case is going to be, I'll just call it a button. Just give it a button. And then now here I'll just have to call for the package. Each package will help us to the window, and then I'll also need it to loop for us the program. So I'll just also have to set the loop, and that's how it is. So if I go up into save this program, just go and save. Go up into save this program. Just going to save to YouTube tool, and I save this program. So if I happen to run this, a button will be created out, and I believe you guys can see now the button is created out for us. Now this is going to be just a basic button. Though in my next video I'm going to show you how can we create this button to be a real advanced button with even a background color, guys. So that's how it is. But since I still have some things here, let me just also make this out for you. So let us try to see how can add some colors on this button here. So you just come here and put a comma. You can also add some padding to it, but now I'm after the big color. You can also put the background color to it, and maybe let the background color be red. Maybe the background color is red, and I want the fore color to be let the fore color be blue or white, depending on really what you want. Remember, default it is always black. So if I happen to run this program, you'll discover that now the button has happened to be like this. So this is how it is at the moment. There's no any padding in this program, or there's no any padding in this button. That's why it is just like this. So please allow me in the next video I will show how to add even padding, padding X and padding Y, so that this button can look so big. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below my video. So I love you all guys. Thank you.